Hello friends, my name is Na and you are watching Gen 1 in Trick channel. If you are new to our community, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new video, you will be notified of that. So what's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you make $500 a day with free traffic source for affiliate marketing. So this is absolutely and exactly the Clickbank free traffic source. Okay, if you want to make or any other platform, or you use the link of any other platform like JBZoo, Warrior Plus, or Health Market, or even Amazon, so you can do with the same this strategy, and you can use the same strategy to apply on that platform also. But in today video I'm going to just show you the Clickbank source or the Clickbank traffic source that you can simply do that, and you can make money online with that. So $500 is big things, but if you use the follow this trick and this strategy to the very end, step by step, so you can exactly make that much money very easily. So I will show you the step-by-step method that how you can reach to $500 per day online. So stay with me to the very end and see this step-by-step tutorial for Clickbank free classified ads or something like that. So thank you for watching. Let's move to the Clickbank website. So if you come to the Clickbank website, as usual, we are doing similar. We are searching the product here. Then we are coming to the gravity. We are using the gravity or popularity. So we use here. So then we choose the product, the top product that what it give us $500 plus with that affiliate system. So I'm using this strategy super affiliate system of John Crestani. So they give me $544 actually if somebody get that or somebody buy that. So I will get the commission of $544. So how I am promoting it is the simple strategy and the simple work, that is this offer, that free training is that actually you don't need, somebody don't need to buy that actually. First of all, they need to join the system for free and they will get a free training. After that, they can buy the offer. So that's why if they buy, so you can get the commission of that. So $544. So how we can promote that, this is the challenge here. So let's move to the website, that how we can promote that. So that website is in today video is the global free classified ads.com. It is a worldwide website from any country, any region you can join. It is free, and another is that you can use your target location, what location you want to cover. So you can simply choose that location and you can promote your link or your offer in that country exactly. So what we need to do is here is, so this is the main page of the global free classify ads.com, and they have the main categories here: announcements, property for rent, real estate for sale, services for sales, business opportunities, vehicle for sale, job and employment, pets and animals for sale. So we are trying to use the business opportunity here. So before going to that or selecting that, we need to know that what type of products people are promoting here and how many people are promoting there. So as I told you, it is global, from any location or any region, the people can use that. So this is the first ad that they said, ethical hacking free workshop 11th January 20. Okay. So this guy is promoting this offer or this training actually in Karachi, Pakistan. Okay. So it is worldwide. So simply people can just click here and just go to contact, and they can contact them. And this is another one. Okay, earn 350 every day as a side hustle from home. Okay, so actually he written free, but I don't think so that it will be free, but it might be a training or something like that that they have written for free. So this one New York, okay. So this one is they did not mention the location. This is Ranchi, this is Dallas, Nashville, Miami, okay. So these are different location and different offers that people are promoting with that. So how we can promote our own offer? The first tip is that click here to register now. Once you click on the register, you will see another page, something like that. You need to just add your first name here, your country, okay, what country you are. If you don't want to mention your own country, or you are in the third party country, or you are in the third position country, means your country is not promoted that much, like Pakistan, India, or something like that. So you can absolutely use the United States, United Kingdom, and other top countries, doesn't matter. After that, add your great email address, and then you can confirm your email address. Then you can scroll down a little bit to the bottom, and you can just add your username. So sometime you will be logging by your username or your email address. So that's why you need to add your username, password, and confirm password. Last, you can add here, yes, I accept. Mean the term of use or the term of condition, you are agree with that. So yes, I accept. Then you can scroll down and click on the submit button. Once you click the submit button, you will see another page, something like that your registration is now pending verification. So it means that you need to go to your email address and verify the email address actually. Then you can go to your email and you will receive the email something like this one, okay, that it is written, okay, that please add, okay, means click on this link or copy to your browser. Once you click on this one, so you will see another page that congratulations, your registration is now complete. Click here to accounts, means you can move into your account. So click here. Once you click here, you will see a page, your profile, your account here. So this is your main account, news messages, classified ads. So this will be that posted, sold, or something like that. Okay, it will be written here all the time, but it is a brand new account. So what we need to do is here, just click on the post a free ad here, and you will be redirected to a new page, something like that, to choose your category. So I'm using business opportunity. Click on a business opportunity and then you will see another subcategory here. Then this will be affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm using affiliate marketing. So click on that. Once you click on that, you will see another page that you can write each and everything here. So your ad will be 30 days free on this platform, and then you can renew after 3 days or post more. Okay, so 30 days is more time, so you can just every day you can upload your different offers here or promote different offers, so they will do that. So after that you can just write a catchy uh, title, earn for $100 to $500 every single day. So then once you write the title, then you can go to the description. Here you can write a description. I have already written here. So better in a job, super simple, earn extra money, helping us post free and paid ads. If you can copy and paste, you can easily make money. So your post or your description should be not less than 400 characters and more than 10,000 characters. Okay. So then you can scroll down and add your price if you have, but actually we don't have the price. So that's why we are writing here free. If it is the price, you can add the price there and you can add the symbol of your currency here. But I'm using free as it's a free training at the first. Then we choose a payment option, we choose payment. So what the Clickbank payment is, so that is a MasterCard and also it's PayPal. So I prefer this. If you add the bank transfer, it is also right. If you don't, no problem. Then you can add your email address, your phone address. So if you want, then you can use, okay, street address here. And after that, you can use the rejoin country, United States. I'm promoting this in United States and using the state. then use the city at that. Okay, so you can use the city something like in Connecticut. Okay, you can use uh, Hartford. Okay, Hartford would be the great city, so you can use, and then you can use your zip code of that area actually. So you can use anything uh, that could be bright or something like that. Okay, so you can use, and then you can come here and add the location. So if you are adding the location, it is good. If you are not adding, so no problem, because it is a digital product, so no need for location actually. Your website URL. So that is the most important part here. You need to go to the Clickbank account and click on the promote button. Once you click the promote button, you will see a page like this one, and then you can generate hot link, and they can give you the link here. Copy the link and go to the Bitly and make certain URL and copy this link. Once you copy the link, you can go back to the page and paste it here and click on the next page and boom. So your offer is published or something like that. Okay. So what we need to do here if we want to make this product, so you can use the country here, use that, and you can click on the next page step. Okay. I can just click on the next step and I go to here, for example, welcome, please log in. I don't know why they bring logging here. Not register, okay, what they said. Okay, I don't know why they said logging. Okay, it doesn't matter. I can just try another, I can try again. So what I need to do is just copy that and go to the title here and add the description here. uh, I can use my description here and I can just make it a little bit great and beautiful that it looks great to people and easy for reading. So it will be great to see. Okay, this is the description and this is the please contact. I can say free and I can use MasterCard, PayPal here, and this is can use a phone number, street address, no need location, country, United States, state. You can use Connecticut and can scroll down and add the city here. Uh, Hartford, can use Hartford, and I can use the zip code for oh, okay, I can use this one and use the link of my website URL I can use and paste it here and next step. Okay. Okay. They ask me to if you have a YouTube video you can upload. If you don't have, so I don't want to use any video. So image I don't want really to use that. So I can go for next. And Okay. If you want to add extra, so you can add extra, but I really don't need to do that. I can click that and click on the publish. Okay, as it is written free, so it is 0 USD, and clicking the publish now. So once you click the publish, you will see if it is continually successful. Your order has been received successfully. Thanks. Okay, means our uh, ad is actually posted or published on this platform very easily. So if you are making more beautiful, you can grab this link, okay, of this ad and share on the Facebook, share on Twitter and others platform, social media platform, and you will gain more benefit from that. So thank you for watching this amazing method of global pre-classified ads. If you want more, please give us a thumb up and give a comment. We want more. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to consider subscribing if you're new and turn on the bell notification whenever we upload new video. You will be notified of that. So tell brand next video. See you awesome with enjoyable moments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumb up for this video. So thank you very much for watching. Till next video, see you awesome with enjoyable moments.